Whether your door has a large dent or simply doing a complete restoration, you'll be happy to hear that we manufacture an authentic reproduction. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1978 to 83 Malibu and 1978 to 87 El Camino door skins. Sold individually or in a pair at a discounted price, our outer door skins are identical to the originals. Each panel is manufactured from 20-gauge steel using case-hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. These skins are patterned from original doors and feature the cutouts for the door handles, locks, and mirrors to ensure a perfect fit. At the end of the production line, each door is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. The EDP coatings help protect your part from potential rust so that it'll be ready for painting upon arrival. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.